Hi, I'm Pi. I'm irrational. I'm mysterious. Why mysterious? Because till now, though we have supercomputers, we are unable to find the exact value of pi. The quest to find the value of pi started 3000 to 4000 years ago. The ancient Egyptian and the Babylonians, the Archimedes, they all tried to find the value of pi. They got very close to the current value, but still the exact value of pi is unknown to us. Pi, when you talk about this symbol, it is the 16th letter of Greek alphabet. And pi has extensive use in trigonometry, in plane figures, to find the area, volume. We know area of a circle is pi r square. So if r is equal to 1, then area will be nothing but pi. But the exact value of pi is not known to us, which means the exact value of a circle is not known to you. Though we write pi as 22/7. Remember, that's the approximate value. Or we write 3.142. Again, we are writing up to 3 places of decimal. Okay? 3.14159. It goes on to trillions and trillions of places. Okay? Pi, first of all, is irrational, which means it is non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. So if you write in decimal form, it goes on. Now, how do you find the value of pi? What is pi? In simple term, if you take a circle, suppose I take 3 circles of different diameters, but when we divide the circumference of the circles, circumference means the outer boundary, the perimeter, in case of a circle is known as a circumference, with the diameter, then you see that in all the 3 cases, the value is somewhere 1.42. This is known as pi, and the value is still unknown to us. And in future also, we will be able to find the value of pi, or we won't be able to find the value of pi. Still remains a mystery. So pi is mysterious for us.